In this video, let me show you how to do Archero 2 glitch. Now, because of how polished Archero 2, there are technically very few to no bugs you can exploit to chess through worlds of levels. However, there seems to be a sort of pattern or code in the game, especially in the Rune Ruins, that might have you a better chance of getting useful upgrades like chess bonuses or quality boosts. So when you're in the Rune Ruins, there's a higher chance of unlocking bonuses if you open the four corner tiles first. While it might still seem luck based, this method tends to give better odds. If you've opened all four corners and still need to continue, try tapping the center tile, and usually considered as a safer pick statistically, although it's not guaranteed. Even if it doesn't always work out, you still often walk away with something useful, whether it's a chess bonus or quality boost, and that's pretty much the closest thing you can get to a glitch or trick in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.